Lesson number 2. Kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. Noun can be classified into the following kinds: common nouns, proper nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is a general name given to all things, places, animals or persons of the same kind. Examples: dog, boy, student, book. Let's see some more examples. Girl, doctor, building, school. Example sentences: the boys were playing table tennis. The girl took the dog for a walk. Kids are reading book. Children were playing outside. Proper nouns. A proper noun is a name given to a particular thing, places, animal or person. Examples of proper nouns: Paris, Dr. Susan, Samsung LED, Bill Gates. Examples sentences: Mountain Everest is the highest mountain. In this sentence, Mount Everest is a proper noun, because it is the name of the mountain. My dog's name is George. Here George is the proper noun, because it is a name. Sarah and Susan went from Dubai to London. In this sentence Sarah, Susan, Dubai and London are proper nouns because they are the special names for particular persons and places. Now look at the picture. There are some words that describe what you see in this picture: kids, trees, buildings, dog, car. Each of these words are nouns. They are called common nouns. Let's give some special names to these common nouns like Billy and Mary, George, Lamborghini. These special names are all proper nouns. All proper nouns begin with capital letters.